Hey, I'm Damien from Boston. I've been struggling for hair loss for a long time, and I did a lot of research, and I came on to Dr. Caymaz. I came here, they treated me really, really well. It's really professional, the place is clean. One side is amazing. It made me feel comfortable because, you know, it's a language barrier. One side was able to like talk to me in English and make me feel good. Everyone was professional, everyone was nice. I had a great experience. Even my girlfriend was saying, "Oh, you know, you made a good choice, because you know you come into a foreign country, you don't know what to expect. You don't know who the real doctor is, when not the real doctor. Dr. Caymaz, he's the real deal, and you know I recommend him to anyone in the States or Europe. This is the man right here. He's the real deal. What do you think?"
Yeah, I agree with everything that you said. I was a little nervous because I didn't know much about Turkey or about the place, but everybody made us feel at ease. Everything was included in the package, the hotel, everybody in the hotel treated us very nicely, and I think Damien is really happy with the results.
How do you translate in Spanish?
Yes,
Oh, sí,
of course, yes.
Bueno, yo soy de Venezuela y ellos les encanta el español también. Había música en español en la recepción y estamos muy contentos con los resultados. Damien está muy contento y la experiencia en general fue muy, muy positiva.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Thank you.